Good day everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a banking website using your phone or just your smartphone. So if you are new to this channel, I would like you guys to subscribe to this channel and hit on the bell notification button so that anytime I drop more content like this, you will be among the first people that will get away. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do now is to create a domain and hosting. Check the description of this video. I've dropped the video on how to create your domain and hosting to get to this place where we are. So after creating your domain and hosting, you will be given a cPanel. So I've already bought my domain and hosting. So to know how I got my domain and hosting, I will advise you to check the description of this video and check the link there on how to create a domain and hosting to have your cPanel. So let's log into our cPanel details. So just skip it. Skip. Now, after logging into our cPanel, the next thing we need to do is to come here and click on File Manager. After clicking on File Manager, you locate public_HTML. Now, this is where we are going to work. So anything that is here, you have to delete everything. So now we'll come back to our hosts, our throws, and check for our domain. So we copy our domain name to check what we have on the website. Now we can see our website is basically blank. Now let's get started. Now come here and click on upload. We are going to be uploading a software. I'll also give you the description under this video on how to download this software, which will be used in developing the bank websites. If you are getting value in this video, I would like you guys to subscribe and hit on the bell notification button so when I drop more videos like this, you get updated. So I'm going to upload the bank software. So it's uploading now. So we just wait for a few minutes for it to get uploaded. In short time as it's uploading, we're going to go back and leave the tab there and go back to our cPanel. Now we click on search files, then we click for my SQL database wizard. You can see it here. Now let's click on it. Now we're going to create a new database. Now we're going to name it Rizio Bank DB. You can name it anyone you want. Then click on next. Now you are going to name it, so I prefer to copy my database name to avoid any error later. So you can decide to use any one you can use. So I'm going to create the password, write the password again. Now click on create user. Now I'm going to accept all privileges, then make changes. Now we've successfully created our database. Now we go back and check if our file is completely uploaded. We can see our file is completely uploaded, and we'll come back to our public_HTML here. Now we are going to refresh this tab. Now you can see Aloris Bank's zip already in the uploaded. Now for you to get this software, check the description of this video. I drop a download link there. So I'm going to right click and extract this software. So I'm going to extract files, then close. After extracting files, we're going to see something like Aloris. Then we don't need this main software again, so we just click on it and we delete. Now this is the file that has been extracted, Aloris. So we open it, then we copy everything here. Then we right click on it. Then we are going to move them. Then we clean the Aloris and we leave it as public_HTML. Then we're going to move all the files there. So we're going to go back again and we see everything here. So we're going to come back to the Aloris again to check if we have any folder. So we don't have any missing folder there, so we have to go back again. Now at this point, what we have to do is we have to download the SQL file which we are going to upload at the database we created. So you just come here and click on SQL. You locate SQL in the software you uploaded, then you open it. After opening it, you see something like database.sql. Then you double click and you download it. Now we've successfully downloaded our database. So we come back to our cPanel, then we search for, we locate php my admin. Are you with me? php my admin, then we right click and we open link in a new tab. Now we've opened php.admin my admin. Now if you notice, the database we created here is crown vous vouch resio bank db. So this is the database we are going to be working on. So I'm going to come here, then we locate the database we created, which is resio bank db. So we open it. Now the database we downloaded, you come here and click on imports. Then you are going to choose the file. After choosing file, we choose the database we just downloaded from the file manager. Now we click on go. Now we have successfully imported our SQL database. You can see everything here. You can just see the admin. You can see the admin email, admin password, admin@mail.com, and password is 123456. So everything is here already. Now we'll come back to our file manager and click on public_html. Now we scroll down and look at it. This is what we then we come to config this folder particularly. So we double click it and open the folder. Now we come to db.php. We right click and we edit. So after editing, we now come back to the database we created. Don't forget, we created this database, so we are going to copy it now. Where we uploaded the SQL file, we copy it now and come back and we rename the database username here. You know, I use the database username, is the same database username I use for the database password. I'm going to paste it, and the database name, I'm going to paste it. Now we are going to click on save changes. So what we are going to do next is we are going to come back to our website, crownvouchers.com.ng. Now we are going to refresh this page to make sure that the bank software, maybe it is working or not. So we're going to refresh this page now. Boom. Now we can see we have just created a professional banking website from scratch within few minutes. Now let's check if this is perfectly working. So all we have to do is now we come here and click on get started. Now we can create an account. So we type the password, email. So I'm going to retype, copy my email and retype it. So secret question, who are you? CEO Resiotech. Now I'm going to agree, then I'm going to register. Now you can see you have been registered, so I'm going to save. You have been registered to other. So this is how you get the user interface. Now I'm going to come back to our file manager, then click on public_html. We have this, so we are going to check the admin. So this is just the user end. You can come here, check about the responsibilities, investments and products. We have the real estate, we have the stock, we have the infrastructure, we have the forex trading, we have the crypto assets, we have the fixed income, multi-asset, renewable power, agriculture, NFP, the planning and services. So it's not just limited to bank, but also many other things. So, and to check the admin, you just come here and click /admin and we enter. So this is the admin. For us to get our admin email and admin password, we come to our SQL. You can see the admin email here, which is admin@mail.com, and password is 123456. That's how we get and log into the admin email and admin password. So I hope you gain value in this video. So if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe before leaving this video, and don't forget to check the description of this video to get the download link of these websites. Thank you.